If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Officers IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about green deposits. Green deposits. See, I go to Indian Overseas Bank. I deposit 10 lakh rupees. Now this is a regular deposit. This is a regular deposit. Right? Now, I go to IOB. I am going to deposit same 10 lakh rupees. But this time it will be called as green deposit. What is the difference? In terms of you depositing, there is no big difference. But in terms of how IOB is going to use this money, there is a difference. For example, see, ultimately, what the banks will do, they will take the deposit amount, they will give it as loans. So, if it is a regular deposit, IOB can use this money for giving us loans for any purpose, any loan purpose, this money can be used. But if it is going to be a green deposit, then this money can be given as loan only for environment friendly projects. We can give it as loan only for environment friendly projects. Right? So here, the way how IOB is using this amount, that way it is going to get differentiated. So if I deposit 10 lakh rupees in green deposit, then the money should definitely go only for environment friendly projects. Right? Now RBI has come up with a framework, has come up with some guidelines. What the guidelines is how the banks should accept and utilize the green deposits. How the banks should accept and utilize green deposits. So that guidelines were released. So RBI said that the banks should come up with rules and regulations regarding the green deposits. So they have to explain to the depositors what is green deposit, how that money will be utilized, where the money will be utilized. Right? All these things the banks will explain it to the public and the depositors in particular. So that has to be made very clear. And there should be a third party. There should be a third party to verify the claims of the banks. See, for example, I deposit 10 lakh rupees. IOB can say, I go and ask the IOB manager, tell me where the money was used. IOB manager will say, Guna, your money was deposited here in that project, this project, everything is environmental friendly. Right? It can be a false claim. So I need a third party to verify their claims. If there is no third party, then that can lead to greenwashing. That can lead to greenwashing. What is greenwashing? You would have heard about eye washing. So they can deceive the consumers. They can mislead the consumers. They can come up with a false claim. They can cheat the depositors. To avoid such situation, to avoid greenwashing, there should be a third party verification mechanism, RBI says. These guidelines were released. Right? Apart from that, this topic is simple. Green deposit, the money can be used by the bank for giving loans for environmental friendly projects only. See, there are some critics, they are having a different opinion that this scheme is not going to bring any big change. Because, you cannot clearly see, say for example, IOB is using this money, they are depositing in, they are giving loans for environmental friendly project. Is it really environmental friendly? Right? That can be manipulated at any point of time. So critics are of opinion that this scheme is not going to bring any big difference in the approach towards giving the loans. But however, from an exam point of view, this much discussion is sufficient.